hit that subscribe button and also tick that bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time I release a new video just like this.
Yo, what is up YouTube? My name is Justin, and in this video I'm going to show you a secret method on how to get tons of free traffic that converts extremely well to our affiliate links. I've been using this method for about a year now, and it makes me honestly around $1,000 to $3,000 a week. So what is this free traffic source that supposedly converts like crazy? I'm talking about YouTube, the second biggest search engine in the world. Now the cool thing about this is it's completely free. You don't need to spend money, do search engine optimization, or even make a website. You just need a bit of spare time and an internet connection, and you can get started immediately. Yes, for free, that's $1,000 to $3,000 weekly payouts by using the exact same formula I'm about to show you guys. So watch this video till the end, and I'll show you step by step exactly how I do it. So assuming you already have a ClickBank account, which you can create for free, go to the affiliate marketplace. Then you want to browse through the categories and find a product you'd like to promote. For this instance, in this video, I'm going to go with health and fitness. Sort the results by gravity. Now, what is gravity anyway? Gravity over here is the unique number of affiliates who have made a sale in the past 30 days promoting this specific product. Now, you don't have to go with the first product. Go ahead and browse through the products and see what looks most eye-catching and appealing to the audience. And then once you found something you'd like to promote, by looking at the page and seeing what they offer, make sure it's quality stuff. I'm going to go with a 3-week diet. So promotes. Type in your username and then create the affiliate link. Now that we've got the affiliate link, I'm just going to put it right here, my notepad, so I don't lose it. And what we want to do is go to tinyURL. It's a very messy link, and not many people are inclined to click a link that looks like that with a bunch of numbers and letters in it. You might think it's like a virus or something. So anyways, paste it into tinyURL and then make the tinyURL. Now we get a shorter URL which takes us to the exact same place but without the messiness in the link. So it looks more appealing, people would want to click it, it's more clickable, okay? So there's our link. Now what we're going to do is get the traffic to our affiliate link. So let me show you the secret formula I use to make this happen. So let's go to our friend YouTube and search for a keyword or keyword phrases that relates to this specific product. For example, right now we're promoting the 3-week diet. So come up with words on the top of your mind that relate to this specific product. For example, people who search for transformation or how to lose weight fast or weight loss all want the same thing, in this instance to lose weight. So you want to use words like them. If we pick the home and garden product from ClickBank like Ted's woodworking plans, we should use keywords that closely relate to this. For example, do-it-yourself wood projects. That would be a good one. And also, you can get more ideas in the drop-down menu on YouTube. So take advantage of that. Use these keywords in the drop-down menu as well to find even more videos that you can advertise on, which I'm about to show you how for free. So just remember that the keyword chosen should be a solution to their problem. That's how you get people to convert and buy the product. So that's how you get good traffic. So this is where the magic happens. What we're going to do is play around with the filters. So I'm going to go with the product. We're using the 3-week diet, so how to lose weight fast would be a good one. And you can use all these, like I was saying, see? So how to lose weight fast. I'm going to go with that for now. So what we're going to do is get our affiliate link, and we're going to get it in the description of these videos. Now the way we do this is we create business inquiries by going to the YouTuber, and you simply just go to the About tab, and they should have a business inquiry there. And if they do, they're a lot more inclined to do business with you. You're going to make money very fast within 24 hours. So get their email, and yeah, that's how we're going to get in contact with them. But anyways, some people are way too popular to get in contact with. So what we're going to do is play around with the magic formula. Click on filters and then go to this year and view count. So we're going to see the most popular videos that have been uploaded this year, anywhere from a day ago to a year ago. And this is the best traffic in my opinion. I've made a lot of money this way. So anyways, take it from me. I make money from this video already, how to lose weight overnight fast, a lot of money using the product I was just showing you, 3-week diet. So how did I do this? This is just one of the few videos I have and I make money online with. And I really had to show this to you guys. It's very fun. It's very fun. And, make so much money now. Sorry, I'm bragging. Anyways, when you go to more and then click on statistics, once you find a video through here, they're all popular. Anyways, if you can't find a video, type in how to lose weight and you can find other stuff as well. You can find this other videos will come for other keywords, but they're all very highly targeted. So go ahead and experiment. You understand? Okay, so now once we found a good video with a good amount of traffic, you can also click on daily to see precisely how much views it's getting every week. And then we can get an idea about advertising on this video. So I have provided a business inquiry template that converts really well and it gets the YouTuber's attention that you want to do business. It's very professional. And it works, not very professional, but it works all the time. And it's pretty much touched up on all the emails I've gotten. I'll show you what I do actually. So I go to gmail.com. I have a business email and I just send a lot of stuff. So where is it? Blezo Biz. And if you go to sent, you can see all these business inquiries I've sent. So, hey there, I want to put my link to my website /blog where I share heaps of tips on losing weight with superfoods like fruits and veggies in your video. I will pay $30 a week into your PayPal if I can leave my website in the description so you can help me send targeted traffic and then a fake like ID to pretend like, oh, you're not like getting full advantage out of them. You say something like, so you can rank higher in Google and I'll get noticed. That's the only reason, but like you're actually making money. They don't know. Anyways, please get back to me as soon as possible. Thank you. Now let me show you how we can make 8 times more the amount of money than we are already making, simply by following the CB Passive Income Strategy by Patrick Chan. That's where I sort of learned this YouTube business inquiry method from in his free training module you can check out in the link in the description. Now I'm going to show you a diagram so you can understand this a lot easier. I'm going to show you the beauty and importance of having an email list. That's how we're going to make 8 times the amount of money we're already making. It is extremely important once we start making money. We want to send people to a middle page, a page where someone clicks on your affiliate link and they get taken to a site where they have to enter their email address to go to the next site, which will be your promotion. These are called opt-in pages where people have the option to enter their email address in exchange of free valuable information. Once we have their email address, we can simply send them email after email, day after day, each email with your affiliate link in it. So you can make money from multiple streams 24/7 on autopilot. Now I know it sounds hard and all having to make an Aweber account to start your emailing list, and it costs money as well. What I found for this solution that in my honest opinion works the best from all avenues is the ClickBank passive income system. You literally don't have to do any work. Patrick Chan creates a bunch of opt-in pages for you. You don't need an Aweber account. They all get saved into the system. So click the link in the description. You understand what I mean. There have been heaps of studies in 2016 that visitors who don't buy from the first click but subscribe to your emailing list are most inclined to buy a product after the 5th affiliate email you send them. And the CB Passive Income takes care of having to write emails, so it's all automated. Email marketing is something you need to be doing when it comes to affiliate marketing nowadays. You might as well be procrastinating on ways to make money online if you're not. So click the link in the description so you can see what the hell I'm talking about and you can really change your life, just like the way I changed mine for the better. If you have any serious questions though, please leave a comment below and I'll respond to you within 24 hours. Please subscribe.